And we have armor moving parts on the knee. And we also have this leg movement. It can tilt. And really nice articulation for some dynamic posing. And we also have good ankle tiltage. Isa sa mga major complaint ko sa kit na ito ay yung knob marks sa binti. Pero overall, it's really a good looking kit with really nice color separation. Na mapunta naman po tayo sa mga accessories. Unang-una po ay etong bazooka. And then, sunod po ay itong prototype ng mga beam rifle na lalabas sa mga Zeta Gundam. And of course, si Char Aznavour. This time around, pangalan niya ay si Quattro Baggina, if I'm not mistaken. Yung cockpit po ay meron ng pilot figure na nakaupo. And of course, itong beam saber handle and beam saber effects parts. Medyo may kaluwagan lang po yung mga slot, pero overall, mag-stay naman siya. And of course, meron po siyang dalawang klaseng sticker. Standard sticker and then dry transfer decals. Ginamit ko lang po dito yung sticker para sa mata, which is yung red eye, and then some green parts para sa sensors. We have leftover parts or plastic for the balut system, and another figure for Char Aznavour. At of course, meron siyang extra ammo clip para dun sa bazooka, which hindi ko na naipakita sa clip na ito. Sa mga nakalimutan ko palang sabihin na yung clip sa bazooka ay pwedeng tanggalin kung gusto nyo. Meron pong option. At isa po sa mga magandang option dito ay yung pwedeng palitan yung eyes. Either you can use this visor with the additional stickers. Actually, they gave us 3. So, madali lang po para palitan yun. Tanggalin lang po yung head part, yung ibabaw. And then, use something to actually hold or grip yung headpiece na yon. So, be very careful not to apply too much force para hindi mabasag. There you go. And then, you can use the alternative pieces na kasama sa kit. Yung iba ay nasa runners pa. So, you can use them and you can use the sticker to whatever design that you want for added customization. Pero personally, I like the red eyes sticker for my kit. Now, let's do the shake test. Sabi nga ni Mecha Gaikutsu, solid as a rock yung build ng kit na ito. And let's try to apply the weapons to be stored on the model kit itself. Let's try to put the beam saber on the back or on the butt flap. Oops, baliktad pala. Ito pala yung tamang position. Okay, there you go. Yes, I think that's the right position. Putting the beam saber handle sa kanyang likuran. And then we also can store the bazooka at the back by actually using the hook on the backpack. By the way, may mga articulation din pala itong wing panels na ito kasi parang prototype siya ng Zeta Gundam. At sa nakita po ninyo, may pagkakahawig yung rifle na ito sa mga Zeta beam rifle later on in the Z series. By the way, ang kit na ito ay gumagamit ng 2-peg system. Isang peg na pwedeng palutangin doon sa kanyang kamay. Medyo tricky lang po siyang ilabas kung nakalubog kasi saktong-sakto lang. So, kailangan mo ng mga tools para pausliin siya. Let me do this off cam. And then, there you go. Ito po yung magiging itsura niya. Then, you use another peg from the weapon to actually connect sa kamay. And then, yung peg sa kamay ay magkoconnect sa weapon, giving it a secure connection as shown on this clip. Yan po ang magiging kahinatnan niya. So, really stable connection. And pwede mo po siyang ibalik sa kanyang arm piece. Same method and same process on the other weapons like this bazooka. And you can also use the same system for the beam saber handles, which is here. And I almost forgot, ito po yung adapter piece para sa stand, which is sold separately. So kailangan bumili ng stand to display this kit on aerial poses. Now, tingnan naman po natin yung mga display kasama yung mga weapons niya using the stand, which is not included. At base sa aking experience, this is a recommended must-buy. Napakaganda po ng kanyang color separation. At very minimal yung sticker na kasama sa kit na ito. And of course, decente at maganda rin yung articulation niya. So overall, this is ideal for someone starting their first master grade. Sana po nagustuhan po ninyo ang aking munting review. Na kung may mga katanungan, huwag mag-atubiling magtanong by typing your questions below. Sa muli, salamat po sa walang sawa ninyong suporta. Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo ang aking munting video presentation na ito sa aking channel. At please, don't hesitate to like or unlike. But don't forget to subscribe to help the channel grow. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next review.